This is one of the major disadvantages of the queso build. My man really got yeeted. Why is bro low-key a chill guy? I think bro was blind. Why did he have to do a cartoon fall? She really got flipped like a pancake. Mad respect for the little boy to try a wheelie. Bro must be daydreaming to be cycling in a garage. He really just self-sacrificed to take down another person's. Bro got instant karma for trying to hurt the chair.
Run!
Respect to him for playing, despite his build. The dog really said, "There is nothing we can do."
Go, 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 go.
I think the grass was really slippery. I guess the boat couldn't hold him.
2, 1.
I think he got a little too excited.
You walked in the spider. What do you mean I walked in?
Why does this seem like a clip from a movie? Falling face flat is a real pain. Why is he still sitting still like a statue? I guess no more golfing for Grandpa today.
Oh, that's funny.
How is he so chill after falling like that? Why is he trying to put a car on a car? I guess the sensor really predicted the fall.
The back of it.
At first, I thought the cloth would break.